Xiaomi has officially launched two smartphones as part of its return in the Philippine market. One is the Redmi 5 Plus, which we already reviewed, while the other is the affordable Redmi 5A. Hey guys, this is Austin of Yugatech. Check out our unboxing and initial impressions of the Xiaomi Redmi 5A. The Redmi 5A comes with a simple yet attractive red packaging. It comes with the smartphone, user manual, charger, micro USB cable, and SIM tray ejector tool. One of the first things you'll notice about the Redmi 5A is its size. It's pretty much a small device which can be attributed to the 5-inch screen. It has its advantages like it's easier to hold and comes with a decent 294 ppi pixel density despite its HD resolution. Speaking of the display, it uses an IPS panel which gives off good viewing angles, colors are natural and has decent brightness for outdoor use. There's no mention of Gorilla Glass or 2.5D glass, but it's nice and clear to look at. Placed above the display are the earpiece, sensors, and 5-megapixel shooter for selfies. Down below are the 3 unlit capacitive navigation keys for recent apps, home, and back, which can be a problem when used in the dark. As for the notifications light, it is located just below the home key. On the right are the power or lock button and volume rocker. On the left are the trays with dedicated slots for 2 nano SIM cards and a micro SD card. Found up top are the 3.5mm audio port, infrared blaster, and the secondary microphone. Down below are the micro USB port and main microphone. Flip it around and you will see the 13-megapixel camera, LED flash, and the loudspeaker. In the hands, the Redmi 5A doesn't feel that premium due to its plastic build, but it's solid with decent heft at 137 grams. The rounded corners and rear that tapers at the edges makes it easy to grip despite the 8.35mm thick body. Powering the device is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 425 quad-core chipset, Adreno 308 GPU, 2GB of RAM, and a 3000 mAh battery, and MIUI 9 based on Android 7.1 Nougat. So far, performance is smooth for an entry-level device and capable of light gaming based on our initial testing. We also ran Antutu version 7 on it, and we got a score of 44,334, which is decent for a phone of this class. The Xiaomi Redmi 5A is priced at 4,590 pesos and will be available on Lazada starting March 15. And that sums up our first impressions, and we hope you enjoyed it. Again, this is Austin of Yugatech. Stay tuned for our full review.